Math 3, Final Benchmark, Question 34. A tutoring website allows tutors to post their rates based on time in hours. All right, so it gives you a little chart, time in hours and costs. So tutor 1, tutor 2, 3, and 4. If each tutor is willing to work any number of hours, which is the least cost efficient. All right, so let's move this back up a little bit. All right, so if we look at this, the first one is $30 an hour. The second one will do an hour and a half for $60. All right, so if you break that down, 60 divided by 3 is $20 for a half hour. So that means this one would be $40 an hour. This one's $30 an hour. And then 2 hours for $70, divide that by 2, that's $35 an hour. And then 85 divided by 3 hours is $28.33 per hour. All right, so the least cost efficient means which one basically charges the most. All right, so the one that charges the most per hour is $40 an hour, or tutor 2. So the answer to number 34 is B.